So with that said, I'd like to start our show. And to start our show, the first person that we have tonight is Gary Shugo, MMR. And Gary talks about his bits and pieces. And keep in mind, all of these are free. Gary, welcome.
Beautiful.
As I explained before, welcome to Bits and Pieces. These are the circuit boards that I retrieved out of one of the computers. And what I did with them was I took them, and I actually did this outside, and they were painted flat black. So once they were painted, you can see here, I've divided them into pieces. And these pieces were cut up to fit inside some of my industrial buildings. And when you can see here, I picked these two pieces and they are put inside the buildings. Now, if I have sort of a frosted glass on all my windows, but if this was clear, you could also see, but you can see the image. And the idea is we have a vacant building, and by putting these objects inside, it gives some life to the inside of the building. So here you can see the dark figures, which shows that there is actually something inside. Here again, another part of the building I had worked on, and inside you can see the images. And what we do is when you turn your lights on at night, we now have objects that you can see in the windows. And here again is a different building, and the lights are turned on in the building, and down below you can see the objects that were put inside. So you don't have to go to great detail. It's just to give some impression that there is actually something in these buildings. And that's bits and pieces for tonight, Jim.